guys, what's up? So it's that time of the month again. Boxycharm is here. But before we unbox the goodies in this month's box, I just wanted to say that Boxycharm did send me this box to try. So this month's theme is Treat Your Heart Out. Super cute product card. And the first product in this month's Boxycharm base box is the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. You guys, I absolutely love Benefit. I own so many products by Benefit, and this mascara is so good. So what I love about this mascara is the wand. It has all these little bitty tiny teeth on it, so it really grabs a hold of all the lashes and really coats them individually with that product, and it also separates at the same time, so that is a plus. And the reason why this is called a magnet mascara is supposedly inside this wand is a magnetically charged core that is really going to draw those lashes out to extreme lengths. The next product in this month's Boxycharm box is the Gold Faden MD Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. This has vitamin D and hyaluronic acid in it, as well as gooseberry. And it says on the front here that it's a hydrating moisturizer that delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. It smells really good. I did try this out today, but however, just like any other skincare product, I'm not gonna know if I really truly like this until like a week from now. But so far so good. My makeup is staying on, it's not greasy, and yeah, it did its job at moisturizing. Next, we have the Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff and Anti-Dark Circle Serum. You guys, I have tried this in a previous Boxycharm box and absolutely loved it. I used the whole thing and was kind of sad when it ran out. So I'm glad I've got another one. You can use this morning and night, and it is very gentle on the under eye area and good for all skin types. Next, we have the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding Eyeshadow Palette, and this is a 9-shade palette. Super cute packaging, love that. And opening it up, it looks a little something like this. A very beautiful neutral eyeshadow palette that I am wearing on my eyes today. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch a few of these for you guys so you can see what they look like. Such a gorgeous little neutral palette, you guys. And I definitely had fun creating this look on my eyes. And last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Give Them La La Beauty Hydro Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the shade Booty Call. And it looks a little something like this. And I do have this on my lips today. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm box. Let me know in the comments below what product was your favorite or what you hope to get inside your Boxycharm. I just want to say another big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me yet another box to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.